Hi, I'm Isabel.
And I'm James.
Welcome back. We're very excited to share that the real walls are up right now, which means that the drywall has been installed and we can see the shape of the bedrooms, the hallway, the kitchen, and the bathroom. And now there's a real separation between the ADU and the main house with their permanent walls, and we can see the real product of our construction.
The drywall installation process is quite lengthy, actually, so it happens in stages. First, the panels are screwed onto the frame, and then what's called the mudding is next, where they take a joint compound, smear it across all the seams, and cover the screws. Then you have to wait for that to dry, drywall, and that can take a couple days if it's raining, and then sand it down and repeat 2, sometimes even 3 more times until it's complete.
They don't call it drywall for nothing. We also worked on the stucco. It's almost complete. It's bright white, our signature. And we picked some colors, some samples for the door. From this point on, everything starts accelerating. It should happen all in about a month. Let's see if that's going to happen.
Maybe less.
And it all happens almost at the same time. Painting,
Floors,
bathroom,
kitchen.
tile.
Yep, that's it. I think that's everything.
And we're working on the driveway.
Working on the driveway and then the landscaping.
Yes.
Yeah. Next time we see each other, this house will be really starting to take its final shape. I'm excited to see over the next couple episodes how everything we bought will look like in this home. So check us out in the meantime. Follow our progress on Instagram and Facebook and at stonefarmenterprises.com.
See you next time.
See you next time.